Welcome to a world where gold is not just a symbol of wealth, but the very foundation of a home. In the heart of Dubai, surrounded by skyscrapers and sapphire blue waters, lies one of the most extravagant properties on Earth, the Gold Mansion. This is not fiction. This is not a movie. This is real! From the moment you approach the gates, your senses are overwhelmed. The driveway, stretching longer than a football field, is flanked by imported palm trees flown in from Morocco. Fountains sparkle on either side, dancing to classical music that echoes softly through hidden speakers in the garden walls. And then, the mansion itself, shimmering under the Arabian sun like a flame of pure gold. Its facade is adorned with 24-karat gold leaf, polished daily by a dedicated team. Every inch is perfection. Every detail is a declaration. You walk through the bronze gates into a grand courtyard the size of a small plaza. Supercars rest silently on marble, displayed like art pieces. There is no ordinary here, only the exceptional. A golden Rolls-Royce. A custom Lamborghini wrapped in diamond-infused paint. And right at the center, a rotating pedestal holding a one-of-a-kind Bugatti plated in chrome and gold. The main doors swing open and the world changes. The entrance hall rises up 30 feet into the air, with ceilings covered in gold mosaic tiles and chandeliers crafted from thousands of imported crystals. The air is cool, perfectly scented with a private blend of oud and vanilla. A pianist plays in the background, seated under a staircase that curves like silk toward the second floor. Everything glows. Even the shadows shimmer. The living room is not a room, it's a statement. Velvet-lined walls, Italian marble floors, furniture carved by artisans flown in from Paris, and silk curtains that move gently with the whisper of the air conditioning, screens hidden behind mirrors. A fireplace that can change flame color. Gold is not used here as an accent. It is the language of the house. To the left, a private cinema with recliner seats custom-built to fit the owner's body. Each seat has a touchscreen control for sound, lighting, and refreshments. The ceiling is designed to look like the night sky, complete with a moving constellation map. To the right, the indoor spa and wellness temple. Gold-tiled sauna, private hammam with marble steam domes, a cryotherapy chamber, and a massage room scented with rare woods and orchids. This isn't relaxation. This is rebirth. You walk deeper into the mansion and enter the kitchen. But no ordinary kitchen. This is a culinary laboratory. 4 separate cooking stations, one for each cuisine. Arabic, French, Japanese, and Indian. Chef-grade tools, robotic arms, and fridges larger than most apartments. The floor? Heated on winter nights? The lights? Automated to change color depending on the time of day. There's even a separate chocolate room, temperature-controlled, with gold-dusted truffles on display. As you ascend the private elevator, the voice of the house welcomes you. Yes, the house speaks. It recognizes who you are. Everything inside is personalized, from the lighting to the music to the scent trail in the corridor. The master bedroom is a kingdom within a kingdom. Panoramic windows with skyline views. A round bed on a golden platform, spinning slowly at night to follow the moon. A hidden door leads to the dressing suite, larger than most boutiques. Walls covered in soft leather, shelves made from glass and onyx. automated systems that select your outfit based on the weather, the mood, and even your heart rate. And then the crown jewel, the rooftop. A full garden in the sky with a fire-lit infinity pool, floating daybeds, and a golden jacuzzi shaped like a lotus. Beyond that, a helipad. Because when you live here, you don't drive, you fly. And yet, the most breathtaking part is the silence. In a city that never sleeps, this home offers something rarer than gold: peace. A place where time slows down, where every breath is intentional, and where luxury becomes a way of being. This is not a dream. This is the life of someone who rewrote the rules of reality. This is Dubai's Gold Mansion. And now that you've seen it, you'll never forget it. Would you live here if money was no object? Would you walk barefoot on golden floors? Would you call this palace your home? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to see what comes next, subscribe to Dubai Vibes TV. Because the next home we visit might just float on water, or be hidden underground. Luxury has no limits. And in Dubai, the dream never ends.